In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Shein. Changing your Shein account email address might seem daunting, but with this easy guide, you'll have it updated in no time, perfect for keeping your account secure or if you've switched to a new email. To begin, navigate to Shein's official website at www.shein.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have access to your account settings where the email update will take place. When logging in, double check that you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. This will present you with a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the option labeled My Profile. This section is your gateway to managing personal details and settings associated with your account. After accessing My Profile, look for the section titled My Account. Here you'll want to click on Manage My Account. This will take you to the area where you'll be able to update various account details, including your email address. Locate the section labeled Email Address. You should see an option to change. Click on this to initiate the process of updating your email. It's important to have your new email address ready, as you'll need to enter it in this step, along with your current account password. Entering your password serves as a way to verify your identity and ensures that only you can make changes to your account information. Once you've filled in your new email address and confirmed with your password, look for a button that says either Save or Submit. Click this to proceed with the update. Don't worry if it takes a moment, it's normal as the system processes this change. The final step involves checking the inbox of your new email address. Shein will send a verification link to confirm this change. Open the email and find the verification link. Clicking this link is crucial as it completely updates your email in their system. This verification step also helps prevent unauthorized changes and enhances the security of your account. And that's it. A quick recap: log in, navigate to your profile, manage your account, change your email, and verify it via the confirmation link sent by Shein. Simple as that. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your account information up to date and secure. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more straightforward guides. Happy shopping!